Hey guys, welcome back. It's been like 3 months since I've uploaded a video, so I thought I would just make a video on this little car I got. This is a RJ Speed Digger. This is a remake of the Bolink Digger back in the 80s. I'm just going to open the box here and I'll do like a build series on it. Start uploading more to the channel. So I lost my camera stand, so this might be a little shaky. So I apologize for that. But I'm going to try to unbox this for you guys on the camera. Alright, so I just got the plastic off the box. If you look at the box really quick, you can see the little card in there doing wheelies. Let's see up here, the chassis. Very simple kit. I think it was like $85 or something. Cardboard box. Nothing on the bottom. Nothing on the side there. Just the top and the sides. Digger, just for fun, 2015. So try to break the tape here really quick. Screwdriver, not such a good idea, but it'll work. One side. Here's the other side. Let's see what we got inside the box. Instruction manual. Okay, so everything's inside the body, so I'm just gonna pull this out upside down. Again, I'm sorry I don't have my camera stand. I lost it. I'm gonna get a new one. Alright, there you go. So in the box, packaged pretty nicely, I would say. Everything's inside the body here. Instruction manual, extremely thin, it's a very simple chassis. Some stickers here, window masks for painting. In here, tires here, rims and tires, foam, front and rear. Some plastic, protected I guess. And there's your chassis rails and some parts for the chassis. There's your gear differential system, and here's the body. Take the body out so you can look at it. Oh, and here's some says linkage on it. I haven't built a kit in a while, so I thought it'd be fun. So I can get the body out. There you go. I have a blue paint. I'm going to paint this body blue. You can see it's like a Volkswagen Beetle type body. You can see the lines are there to cut it out. It's got like a V8 sticking out of the hood here with a supercharger on it. They had a truck version, the motor in the back. I kind of like the Beetle version, but if I ever wanted, it's the same chassis, and I could just buy both and interchange them. So yeah, that's pretty nice. I'm going to be doing a little build series on this, probably going to do like a time lapse of me building it. Check out the instructions really quick. Not that there's much to them, but we'll check them out anyway. Simple instructions here. Nice pictures. I don't have the electronics in for this yet. They're still coming in the mail. Should be coming in a couple days. I bought this off eBay. You can see the other models here. They make this model here, which is actually a little bit cheaper, which I was gonna get. Here's the truck model I was talking about right there. I like the Beetle model better, I feel like. So pretty much this company makes all the old Bolink cars. If you don't know what that is, that's like from back in the day. These are pan cars. What they do is they pretty much remanufacture them, which is really cool. See here, parts list all here. New rims and tire upgrades or whatever. You can see a picture of the chassis here. Pretty much how it goes together. You could go right off this diagram if you wanted to. Very simple. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be coming back soon, uploading more. I'll probably upload a part 1 of just assembling the chassis today. And I'll paint the body. I'll show you what color. I'm going to do blue, I think. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. And bye.